Hello everyone, welcome back to Poppy Seed Mini. Today we'll be teaching you how to make a couch for your dollhouse as we move into our series about living rooms. Alright, let's get crafting. The link for the pattern as well as other information is in the description box below. To make this couch, you'll need a sheet of foam board, fabric, an empty cereal box, batting, and wooden spindles for the legs. Cut out your pattern on the red line and use it to cut out your fabric. If your fabric has a grain or a pattern, make sure the red arrow is following it. Then, cut your pattern down to the blue line. Trace your patterns onto the foam board. Use an X-Acto knife or utility knife to cut out the foam board. Make sure the blade is sharp or your foam won't cut smooth. Don't forget to be careful when crafting with knives. Another timely tip, I always buy my foam board at Walmart. It's only 88 cents and it seems to be nicer than the foam board from the dollar store. Now, cut out the 3 pieces from recycled cardboard. And then cut out the batting pieces. Hot glue your foam pieces together. Glue the 2 back pieces together. Glue the sides together. For the bottom pieces, glue a stack of 3 together and a stack of 4 together. Next, glue the batting piece on the back. Glue the strips to the fronts of the seats. Put the seat batting on the stack of 4. Glue on the fabric to the back piece. Next, glue the fabric to the arm pieces. Clip around the curve to allow it to bend. Make sure you do a right and a left arm. Glue the fabric to the 4 foam seat. clip the fabric in the corner and glue. Make sure to fold down the corners so they lay flat. Glue the strip to the 3 foam piece. Glue the fabric to the cardboard arms. Again, make sure you do a right and a left side. Then glue the fabric to the back panel. Don't glue the bottom edge yet. Glue the seats together. Glue the back to the seat. Glue the arm panels to the arms. Glue the arms on each side. The panels should be on the outside. Add a strip of foam to the bottom of the back of the couch. Then, glue the back panel on. And glue the fabric to the bottom of the couch. I like to use applique pins to add studs to my couch. I just push them into place wherever I want them. This couch needed taller legs, so I picked up these wooden spindles at Menards for $1.78. Poke holes in the bottom of the couch and glue the legs into place. While I was out shopping for the spindles, I found these napkin rings at Hobby Lobby. I grabbed some round wooden shapes and made some fun side tables out of them. I sure hope you enjoyed today's video. Like, comment, share, and subscribe, and have fun making couches for your dollhouse.